those who have not incurred thy displeasure, and those who have not gone astray.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. اللہ کے نام کے ساتھ شروع کرتا ہوں جو بے حد رحم کرنے والا اور جہاں بار رحم کرنے والا. جان لو کہ اللہ زمین کو اس کی موت کے بعد ضرور زندہ کرتا ہے.
میں اپنے پیاروں کی نسبت ہرگز نہ کروں گا پسند کبھی، وہ چھوٹے درجہ پہ راضی ہوں اور ان کی نگاہ رہے نیچی.
Goal, and from the comfort of home they slay enemies with the sword of speech, that even the mention of real action makes them shy and nervous, like jackals lying in wait for the lion's prey.
To another program, so I will request him to address us briefly.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. I usually when these gatherings happen, I always get really happy when I see our young people come out, and I hope I'm able to say something that will be beneficial to some of you. As many of you know, this morning, Hazrat Anwar Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz, he had mentioned, he had a speech at the UK Jalsa, the UK Khudam Ijtima, and he had some really good points that would be beneficial for us. One of them I remember, young people, a lot of us are athletes, we play. I see some of you also play sports. And he mentioned something about sports. The sports, they're definitely very helpful to one another. If they win or they lose, sometimes we see it where young people start arguing with the referees. And those of you who had a chance to listen to Hazur's address today, he mentioned something interesting, is that he actually had to cancel the cricket tournament. And the reason for that was because internal issues they started. So although joke, it's extremely difficult. You need such high level of discipline. But that's why the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that if Muslims knew the blessings of even the Fajr and the Isha prayer to do in congregation at the masjid, people would crawl to the masjid. They would faint. And one of the first things he would ask every time he would become conscious again is he would ask the Sahaba, and that, is it namaz time yet? And they would say no, they would update him when namaz time was. Finally, when namaz time came, he tried to do wuzu and then fainted again. And got up and tried to do wuzu again. And you know what his condition was? He told the Sahaba, he's like, take me to the masjid. You know how he went to the masjid? I forget the two Sahaba's name, but he had two Sahaba on his right and his left. And they carried him, and it comes in the narrations that he was so weak that he was putting his weight on one foot, and the other foot was so weak he couldn't stand properly, he was dragging through the dirt. And that was the condition the Holy Prophet ﷺ went to the masjid just for salat.
توجہ دلائی کہ خدا کا فضل جو ہے نا اس کو سمیٹنا ہے، اور جو چیز بھی ہمیں مل رہی ہے خدا کے فضل سے مل رہی ہے. On the annual budget, and the first point in that annual budget recommendation approval was that we need to focus on 20 years to 35 years of age group, that how they are participating in the financial sacrifices to purify their wealth and to experience the blessings of Allah Ta'ala. Please, if somebody is using, please put it off. So this is except for the official one which you are using. So this is the first proposal, 20 to 35 years of age group. What is the reason for that? Why we are focusing on them? Why has Hazrat approved that recommendation? کون بتائے گا فرام یگسٹرز؟ جی they are lacking behind. So the point is we need to practice this habit
ਜੀ ਜੀ
ਆ ਖਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੇ
ਹਾਂ ਦਿਓ ਦਿਓ ਯਸ ਚਲੋ ਜੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ
ਪੱਕਿਆ ਦਿਓ ਨਾ ਮੀਡੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਕੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੱਚਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਲੋ ਨਾਲ ਵੀਡੀਓ
ਇਹ ਲਜਨਾ ਵਾਸਤੇ
ਕਿੰਨੇ ਲਏ ਨੇ
ਹਾਂ ਲਜਨਾ ਵਾਸਤੇ
ਲਜਨਾ ਨੂੰ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਮਾਲ ਸਾਰਾ
ਹਾਂ ਜੀ
ਇਹ ਜ਼ੈਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਡੁੱਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜੀ ਕਿਆ
ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਗਈ
आजो पहली सब में आजो